Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix PayPal Express checkout not working on Shopify store. So simply in order to do this, first of all you have to log into your Shopify account, and after that open the store where you have added your PayPal payment method. Simply after that just scroll down and here you can see the settings option. So just click on settings, and after that here you can see in the general settings tab just address. So simply just click on edit address. So here you have to change your country origin, like where PayPal is working. Like in my country PayPal is not enabled. So simply in order to do this fix, simply just you have to change your country and region. So you have to put the address here, city, postal code, so all the details. So just simply you can also put the random address like US address here. So after that, so this is the main issue that in some countries PayPal is not supported. So in this way it is unable to work on Shopify. So simply you have to check whether if PayPal is working in your country or not. So after that you will be able to solve this issue.